Okay, so what is next for ClearCryptos? Okay, there's a lot to unpack. We do know that analytics is already rolled out. You see the dashboard. I already have the swap that's already rolled out, so you can use the swap and an analytics page. And of course, you can go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel of ClearCryptos. But in this video, what's next coming up? Let's break some things down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, you are watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You see it right on this page, bringing clarity into crypto. So what is next? All right, so what's next is soon we are starting the phase 2 of a rollout. TradingView integration, so that means TradingView integration, which is probably going to be over here on the analytics page. You also have more fiat ramps, that's really good. First, every decentralized entity to provide a fiat off ramp, okay? Marketing plan phase 2. Further exchange listings. Now, listings already, LBank is already, and Bitmart is already in place for ClearCryptos already. So you have those two. Much more are coming in. And of course, the partnerships is going to be coming much more for ClearCryptos. But one thing that I do notice and is really exciting is the rewards program. Earn more CCX, which is ClearCryptos, by holding. The allocated token amount is based on the period of time you hold ClearCryptos. All you need to do is be a holder of ClearCryptos and create an account with ClearCryptos Analytics. So this is what it basically is breaking down. 50%, 30%, and 20%. And these are the days of holding. You see this? 60 days, 30 to 59 days, and then 1 to 29 days in terms of holding. And then you have 180 million CCX token as reward. Look at this. It shows actually the breakdown over here and a little bit of information here. Rewards program for those of you who have ClearCryptos Analytics account. So you need to start an account and are holding ClearCryptos. So this is the analytics page right here. And when you start an account, you can go ahead and start right on the ClearCryptos just by here, logging in or creating an account that says right over there. Once you do that, then you should be already good to go. Make sure you hold ClearCryptos and turns in your wallet and also within the actually system here. This is a great idea. This to me is all about giving back to the holders. Look at the rewards allocations on each actually stage here. So the more you hold and how long you hold, the more you can get. So this is really, really good. Also, you know, you can go ahead, sign up a free account, and the analytics page looks really, really good. They're going to add more things in this to make trading and the whole crypto in terms of experience much better for you as well. And of course, you can also swap your tokens for ETH for ClearCryptos right now. Now, did mention that more exchange listings should be happening. LBank and Bitmart, you can go ahead and check that out for ClearCryptos as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of ClearCryptos. There's more exciting information coming down the pipeline because what's next? More information, more bullish information with ClearCryptos. I'm excited. I love this rewards program. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You've been watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And this is the breakdown of the rewards page on the ClearCryptos website. A little bit of more information breaks it down. I'm excited. I know you are. I'll see you in the next video.